solve for x, 3 to the power of x is 1/3, and b, 27 over 8 to the power of x is 2/3. Okay, so 3 to the x is equal to 1/3. Now, to do this, you have to make the base the same. So if we make both the bases 3, but if we use 1 over a to the n is a to the minus n, we can have 3 to the x, which is 3 to the minus 1. Now, because the base is the same, then the indices must be the same as well. So 3x must be equal to minus 1. Part B is a little bit more difficult. So we've got 27 over 8 is x is equal to 2 over 3. So if I write this as 27 over 8 to the x, now a over b to the minus n will be equal to b over a to the m, plus we note that 2 cubed is 8, so that 8 really needs to be in the numerator, and the 3 cubed will be 27. So if we got 27 over 8, and make it the same power, in order to make that back a 3, we will have to take the cube root of 27 and the cube root of 8. The minus sign indicates that I have flipped the fraction. So, because I've now got the base the same, I can now say that x would have to be equal to minus 1/3. This is a much more difficult question. It requires a little bit of thought. But I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.